Learning is discovery. Discovery of knowledge and new skills. Introducing Discover modules, from Cegos. Discover and explore specific content, from the point of view of the hero. Someone the learners can immediately connect with. With videos based on real-life examples, simulations, quizzes, designed to transform learning experiences into enjoyable and effective journeys. Throughout the module, learners witness the hero conquering obstacles and enhancing their skills. It's a guided, step-by-step process, all condensed into just 15 minutes. With a variety of learning activities to develop skills and provide practice. For those craving additional knowledge, bonus content awaits, allowing curious learners to go deeper into the topic. Learners will find additional resources and a concise summary with the key takeaways. Ready to start? Explore our Discover modules today.